So Oracle database. If I want to join this Java application to Oracle, then I have to follow some steps. Like first, we need to establish the connection between this application to this application. And before establishing, we have to load the driver. What is the driver software? For example, I know the English and I went to in some Russian, for example, and I don't know the Russian language. Then I need one translate with me that will convert my language to Russian language or Russian language to my language. Correct? Are you understanding? So that is called as a driver in JDBC. Like Oracle software means any database software that will understand only the SQL language, in structured query language. That is given by the IBM company in 1979, SQL language. And Oracle or any database software that understand only the SQL language. But Java, how to communicate to Oracle software? How we can convert our Java code to SQL code? Okay, that is the question. For that, we need a driver software. There are 4 types of drivers are available. First one is a ODBC bridge driver. Second one is the native driver. Third one is the network native driver, and fourth one is a thin driver. The market is currently in market. The popular driver is the thin driver. Okay. So we can say the type 1, type 2, and type 3 and type 4 driver. There is a type 5 driver is also available in the market, but that is not officially announced by the Oracle or any company. Okay, that is given by the third party vendors. So first question is how to load the driver. Okay, there are 2 ways we can load the driver to our JVM. Okay, first one is the